Hi everyone. So what happened to me today was pretty cool because two big wig YouTube channels, Rob's World and Jeremy Schaefer Origami, both made three-pointed ninja star with the same base as mine. And so that's pretty cool, whether they knew it or not. They started off with triangle paper, and they both started off like this basically. And then they went on to add their own folds and make them into boomerangs. Comes out something like this. And this is a little dinky $1 model. You can make it by watching their videos, and it won't really fly like theirs. That's okay. What we're going to do is show you how to make a trophy of either one of theirs. And so I'll put all the links in the upper right hand corner. If you hover the mouse over the video, the info button lights up, and if you click on it, we'll have all three videos there. And here's what you do. So we're going to make a giant triangle out of $3. Fold the bill in half, and you only have to crease in the center, but make sure it's lined up really well. And then you fold the lower corner into the center line that you just made, making a sharp point up here. And now you're going to do all the lower corners into the center, except one of them you're going to make with both on the top, and another one you're going to make with both folding back, and then another one make one fold up and one fold back. And then what you do is turn the bill upside down, and you put the long side, the one with them up, you take the one with them back, and you put the long side underneath, and you put this flap over there, and now those are together. And then you take this last one, and it goes under this one and hooks in. Like that. And it goes over this one, and this goes over top, and get that little corner and put it like that. So now you've got the equilateral triangle base, and you can fold either one of theirs or both if you like, sure, and you'll have you a tri-star triple blade ninja shuriken trophy tribute to Rob's World and Jeremy Schaefer. Alright, that's really pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy their channel. Maybe you'll tell them about my design. That'd be fun for me. And I really like their channels, and I watch all their videos pretty much all the time. Thanks a lot.